I'm by names of Richard. I stay in Kajansi, and I also work in Kajansi, in Tebe Road. It's in Busilo. We are in Busilo. Here my job is I'm a chapati maker. We do several things like Rolex, Kikomando, as you can see. Yeah, that's all. I've been in this job, I think it's almost 3 years, and I think this job, many people in the society need Kikomando. Like, we have many people here who cannot afford expensive foods, whereby you just come here and buy Kikomando like for 2K and can make you through that day. Like, I wake up very early in the morning, targeting these morning customers like students and some border riders who work in very early in the morning. So that's so far till night. We also make here Rolex. We get eggs, we fry them, we mix them with chapati, and we make a Rolex. And we also make like what we call pizza, African pizza. We cut chapati into small pieces and we mix them plus eggs and some greens like, as you know. Yeah, at Kikomando, we first buy is it what?
Wheat flour.
We buy a wheat flour. We make chapati. After making chapati, we buy also beans. Beans we boil them. After boiling, then we get our chapatis. We cut them into small pieces. We put it on a plate or a kavera. Then we put their beans. That's how Kikomando is. Okay. So far, this is how we do it. This is how we do it.
As you are explaining, as you are cutting,
we first cut them into 2 pieces, as you can see. After cutting into 2 pieces, then we target at the edge only. Then we start cutting 2 smaller pieces, as you can see. You make sure that you don't cut big pieces.
Why don't you cut big pieces? What's the logic there?
At times, some people cannot eat bigger pieces.
Oh.
So it makes it easier someone to eat each piece here because it's small.
How much is Kikomando?
I think this one's for just only 2,000. Yeah.
Okay.
After cutting them into small pieces, we put it in our plate, as you can see.
The Kikomando. Yeah.
After cutting them in smaller pieces and ready to put it on the plate, we come to our beans and we mix here beans. As you can see, these are our beans. We pour on the top. As you can see. So, my dream is to own one of the best restaurants here, which does Kikomando and Rolex and the other things which fall into this category. I want to
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Your last words to the people who support you, to the people who comes here in the morning to buy your Kikomando. What are your words? What message do you send to them?
I just want to say thanks to them for supporting me, because I'm here because of them. They have really supported me and showed me love, and I promise them to give them the best from this job. Yeah, I will never disappoint them. Thank you so much.